Figures out this week will confirm whether Northland's waterways are any cleaner after a report showed them to be 94% contaminated with faecal matter.
Iwi and Northland have embarked on an ambitious plan to make their rivers not just swimmable but drinkable. But they say it will take time. Adam Hollingworth reports.
500 kilometres of waterways crisscross this beautiful part of the country. Many are unswimmable.
But as humankind, we cause the devastation to our waterway, so it's our responsibility to keep it clean.
Shante Konakingi is part of a community-wide effort to turn around years of neglect of Northland's waterways. Her team, made up of 5 local iwi and the local council, have been checking the health of the rivers at 8 different sites.
So you need your water temperature to always stay low. Then you know that there's oxygen in that water.
The team placed these tiny eDNA devices in the water for 24 hours. They record every living thing from up to 5 kilometres upstream. And unfortunately, that's not just fish, but nasty bacteria too.
Even E. coli, anything like that, it'll tell us.
Because with more data comes knowledge and better solutions.
Because before we would just get in there, the water's dirty, let's try and clean it up and get excavators in and all that sort of stuff to find out, well, no, that wasn't actually a good decision to do. We needed to make a better one.
This site on Hikurangi River has been a beloved swimming hole for 30 generations. It's usually fun, but today it's full of unwelcome sediment.
I wouldn't recommend our young kids coming here to swim, while it's like this.
Delaraine Armstrong, who chairs the Te Orewai Te Horo Trust, says the sediment's the result of a landslip caused by the combination of Cyclone Gabrielle and the effects of nearby pine forestry.
It's highly erodible, so when you harvest it, all the topsoil is unstable. Heavy rainfall, exceptionally heavy rainfall of an epic nature like Gabrielle brought, of course, means that it's destabilising lots of areas around the country, right?
8 weeks later, many kilometres of rocky riverbeds are still clogged with mud.
No.
A fallen tree on another stream that's nearly always drinkable has created a similar issue downstream. This is the problem encapsulated as the iwi see it. On this side of the river, it's almost pristine. On the other side of the fallen totara, there's sediment and it's unswimmable. Elsewhere in Northland, water quality problems can be tied to dairy farming, but that's changing too.
Yeah, it's pretty crap actually to see 95% of waterways are unswimmable, and it's certainly something that everyone's got a part to play.
And Andrew Booth's taking his part seriously. He's won awards for his efforts to clean up the waterways, from creating biodiversity corridors for wildlife and careful management of effluent to planting up riverbanks.
These actually act as little filters and kidneys for the paddocks. So all the paddock water now drains through there, which will catch any sediment before it even gets to the creek.
With iwi farmers and council working together now,
it's just chipping away at over time. You can't expect to get everything done straight away.
Everyone has the same objective: for the next generation to have clean waterways. Adam Hollingworth, News Hub.